welcome back to our channel and Sandcastle tip of the day. Today we're going to do a quick completion video to music, and we're going to show you kind of the highlights of this piece. We're going to show you lighting, and we're going to do some drone video to this too. The drone might be a little tricky, so stay tuned and see how this turns out. I've set up our dry cast lighting, which is programmable from my iPhone to virtually any color. Right now I'm working with the blue for Aqua Goddess, and I've got some white, kind of a warmer tone white that's just a contrasting color. And I put another white here where the aqueduct turns into a land-based aqueduct of stone and block. And then I shifted back to the blue where she goes back into the water with the second dry cast, D-R-A cast, so draw cast. I think that's how I pronounce it. But it's looking good. I'll play around with the colors. I thought, might as well give red a try when you've got 16.8 million colors to choose from. Maybe red would be a nice look. Don't know if I like it, but I've always thought blue was the color, but it's still an interesting kind of poppy look. And of course the white light just gives it some neutralness, which is good. Just dial the color up. The software for these drawcast lights, so wonderful and so easy to use to get virtually any color in the world. You know, the 16.8 million colors if you wanted them. That's what we used to always say in the architecture world when we'd look through the Pantone fan deck. And these lights deliver it all quickly and very impressively. Couldn't imagine how long it would take to just change out gel after gel after gel. had a blast working with the lighting on the Water Goddess. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss the latest excitement that we have in sand sculpture. Till next time, we'll see you soon. Bye.